Hey everyone, today, we're diving underground into a world you've probably never heard before, literally. Researchers from Flinders University have discovered that healthy soils are like nature's own symphony, filled with complex and chaotic sounds. These sounds could be the key to restoring and protecting our planet's ecosystems. Stick around, because you won't want to miss this groundbreaking research into the world of eco-acoustics. Welcome to Trend Storm. Chapter 1. What is eco-acoustics? Alright, so what exactly is eco-acoustics? Think of it as using sound to understand the health of an ecosystem. Healthy soils, it turns out, create a ton of barely audible sounds, pops, clicks, and rustling, kind of like a hidden orchestra. These noises come from soil invertebrates, like earthworms, beetles, ants, and spiders, moving through the ground, interacting with their environment. Researchers have started to record these soil sounds to monitor the biodiversity living underground. And the results? Soils that are healthy, diverse, and teeming with life are much noisier than degraded or unhealthy soils. This new technology could help us understand soil health without even having to dig into the ground. Chapter 2. Why does this matter? Why is this so important? Well, right now, around 75% of the world's soils are degraded. That means the homes of 60% of Earth's species, many of them living underground, are under serious threat. According to microbial ecologist Dr. Jake Robinson, restoring soil biodiversity is now more crucial than ever. By listening to the sounds produced in these underground ecosystems, scientists believe they can measure soil health more effectively and restore ecosystems before it's too late. Chapter 3. How it works. Here's how it all goes down. The team at Flinders University, along with researchers from the Chinese Academy of Sciences, set up passive acoustic monitors in different types of land, remnant vegetation, degraded plots, and areas that had been revegetated 15 years ago. They recorded the sounds over 5 days in South Australia and used a special chamber to listen to what's happening below the surface. What they found was mind-blowing. Healthier soils, especially those in restored ecosystems, produced more complex and diverse soundscapes. It turns out, the more noise, the healthier the soil. Chapter 4. What this means for soil restoration. This acoustic monitoring could become a global tool for tracking and improving soil health. No digging needed. As the world faces climate change and ecosystem degradation, tools like this could help us restore ecosystems more efficiently and effectively. Dr. Robinson notes that the sounds of different soil organisms, like earthworms, ants, and beetles, vary based on their activity, size, and shape. Each species adds its own sound profile to the mix, and by identifying these profiles, scientists can monitor the health of an entire ecosystem. Chapter 5. The future of eco-acoustics. Though the field of eco-acoustics is still in its early stages, it shows huge promise for protecting one of Earth's most diverse and vital ecosystems: soil. With the help of this technology, we could soon have a better, faster, and more sustainable way of monitoring and restoring soil biodiversity around the globe. So, next time you think about soil, remember that there's an entire world of sound and life happening just beneath your feet. This cutting-edge research from Flinders University shows that listening to the land could be the future of environmental restoration. Source: Flinders University. What do you think? Could eco-acoustics be the key to saving our soils? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this dive into the hidden sounds of the earth, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more groundbreaking science updates. Thanks for watching Trend Storm, and we'll see you in the next video.